The Tale of Naruto Uzumaki. Yes, that is a nice ring.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing an oil cooler on the GS300. But first I have some stuff I have to take care of. I have to change the windshield washer fluid reservoir and stuff. I'm going to do those first, then I'll get to the oil cooler. But let's start off by taking out the bumper.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it.
I'm glad that you can open up, you got a friend in me. And when I listen to you talk, it's like a melody. Now hear me out, keep G.O.D. inside your heart to block the enemy. Cause jealousy will come to snatch up all your energy. All my charisma got smile.
A little carried away. I did the, what is that called? The windshield washer fluid reservoir, changed it. It works now, no more light for that. And now I'm doing a coolant flush. Cause, as you can see, look at this. Yeah, it was about time, I'm thinking about getting a new radiator too, cause this don't look too good. But yeah.
Like in every word. He said I'm not like other guys she ever seen or heard.
Yeah.
I bought a clear one. It didn't fit.
Shut up!
Bro. Oh yeah.
Alright guys, I'm taking out the valve cover because we're gonna paint it. This one I don't care about because I'm gonna get a clear one, and I'll end up painting the I'll end up painting the valve cover purple. But till I do that, I'm just gonna paint the stock one purple till the clear one comes in.
I'm not a chatterbox, I try to flex, I hold it down. I know my presence a hit different cause I'm not a clown. Cause I'm from the east side, that's right. Rose NYC, that's the best side. And you know I'm outside, south side. Queens get the money, you know.
2 seconds later.
This is the purple we're painting, sparkly, purple shit, hot boy stuff. So I'm gonna get started right now.
That's right, if you wanna catch a vibe with the lights low, we can drive through my hood, we can go slow. I can show you all the things you've been missing. Can we start by living life, not existing? Am I delusional? Or am I losing you? I like it when you rock your natural hair, it's beautiful. But when you're goofy, really, I don't care. So
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, after primer, I ended up painting the whole thing with gloss black. Then I put the purple paint on it. Kind of messed up a little, you can see the run, but like I said, don't care about it. But it looks good. Nice purple. It's not dried yet, but I was too impatient. I just put it on. Stuck my hand in the back and just put it on. Now I'm bolting it on, and that's it. It looks weird right now, I know, but wait till the intake's there, the oil filter and stuff like that. I mean, sorry, all the catch can and stuff goes on. It's gonna look fire.
1 eternity later.
Alright guys, I don't know when I picked up the camera last, but here's where I'm at right now. I kind of forgot to record, just kept working. So I put the sandwich plate in there, and one of the line is going over on that side because there's no place to put the filter over here because it's a filter relocation kit as well. On this side, I couldn't find anywhere to put it, so I had to put it on this side right there. So one of the lines, the what do you call it, the main line coming out of the block is going over there to the filter, and there's another one coming from here that's gonna go to the filter over here. I said filter, I meant the oil cooler over here, and from here there's another line coming in that's gonna go to the oil cooler right here. But right now I'm gonna do something a little fun real quick. I painted out the V for VN, and I'm gonna try to paint it over here. So yeah, I'm gonna start cutting this and then I'll paint it here. Just cut this stencil out. I'm gonna put it here. Hopefully it fits. Sort of, not really. You know what? I could do it sideways. There we go. Sideways, I could do it. I'm gonna tape it and I'll get back to you guys. It's super windy. Alright guys, as you can see, I taped it up. Stencils on. What I do is like I cut little pieces of masking tape and I roll it up and I put it on the bottom so like these stick down properly. That's why you don't see like this lifting. Now I'm just gonna hit it with the glitter purple and that should be it. Alright guys, the oil cooler I got, if it's in stock, I'll leave the link down below. But this is basically an adapter that goes where the oil filter usually goes in. I don't know if you guys could see it. Right there. I kind of, yeah, I didn't have the proper tool to tighten it, so it kind of got scratched up. But who cares, it's on there right now. So the part that comes out straight from the oil filter is going on that side to the, this is the sandwich plate basically where the filter is going to go in now, and that is basically coming from there, and the bottom one, and the other part is coming out of here, going underneath, coming out of here, and it's going to the oil cooler right here. And for this side it's a little tricky because I have to take out the headlight because I have to route it from here, so I have to clear some stuff out, then it'll probably go in this end. So when that goes in, I'll be done, then I'll put oil and start it.
A few moments later.
I just finished putting this line as well. As you can see, I took out the headlight, put it through there. If you can see it, I'm gonna put a cushion in there so the line doesn't get kinked or anything. But yeah, it's on. And that's gonna be the end of the video. Next video is gonna be when I install the HPS intake. As you can see, I already started putting the shield. I'm gonna do the HPS intake, but here's the thing. I have a 99, and I know the 98 to 2000, yeah, 2000. They don't have this map sensor. They don't have this map sensor, but they have a map sensor. I'll show you what that looks like. Give me 1 second. All right, this one. So if this doesn't work, I got this contraption going on. I'll try to make this work with this and cut it here, or I'm gonna go pick this up, aluminum one from this guy, and that will bolt on. But don't worry about that. We're gonna see if this works first. So take your old sensor, put it in here, and they come with this rubber grommet in the box. Put that in there, and then pull up over here. You take one of the couplers, put it in here, put the clamp on. It comes with the L bracket. It goes on like this to the bolt right there. Put this shield on. The shield also gets held on by that bolt and this right here, right there. Shield goes on, that goes on. Oh, let me get another clamp. And this would go like this. Wait, clamp first. All right, and then like that. I'm gonna tighten this clamp and get back to you guys. After you tighten the clamp over there, take a nut and take a washer and put it in the L bracket and the little rubber bushing part. Jesus. Okay, can take you there. Yeah. All right, let me tighten that and get back to you guys again. I plugged in the plug. It's the filter. I'm gonna get a new filter. I don't really like the shape of this. All right, man. And tighten this clamp. Also, this obviously goes there. Kind of common sense. And I have to get a splitter because there's only one port, and I have two lines coming out the car. One from here, one from here. So I would have to tee it and then put it in here. But if you have what do you call it? 2001 and up, I think you guys only have one. That's why the HPS one has one. But I kind of have to play around with stuff here to make it work. But yeah, we'll get back to you guys after I finish this.
Used to you. Girl, you got some toxic traits like everyone do. I know you gonna work on them and try to get through, but you see what it's like to rock.
Alright guys, I'm over the truth right now. Hopefully nothing's leaking. Hopefully everything's fine. I'm gonna go start it. No oil leaks. Watch.
Inshallah.
Let me make sure one more time. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Sheesh.
What was that struggle?
Intake.
Is that a bad thing?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Like I said, remember I have the 98 to 2000 has a map sensor, and the ones after that, 2000 and up, has mass sensor, this one. And they don't make cold air intakes for the old ones, like 2008, 2009, 2000, they don't make a cold air intake for it. So what I'm gonna have to do is cut this off, and then I'm gonna go get the other part from this guy that's selling. They usually do it for when they turbo it, for the intercooler piping. They have the sensor, the spot for the sensor that goes in here like that. I did this so I could test fit it and make sure it's this sensor that's messing up, which is, don't worry about this, it's just a quick little setup so the car could run. I'm not gonna drive it like this, obviously. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this right now and then go get that part and get that welded.
In anyone's shoes, a heart like yours, the world will always try to misuse. She like where you come from, New York. Tell me where you be, Queens. You really a nice guy. I'm from Southside. Kick it with me in the East, cause I'm from the East Side. That's right. Rosa NYC, that's the best side, and you know I'm outside.
Alright guys, so here's the outcome.
I'm gonna sand it a little now. You good?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Continue
I
Alright.
talking.
think so.
Almost f***ed up his hand. Almost cut his hand.
Almost.
I was gonna do Kurbani with him. But yeah, I just cut it. I will sand it a little. But I have to take it to a welding shop because I suck at welding. You know what? Before all that, we should go pick up the part first. Alright, deuce.
Southside, Queens get the money, you know that's right. If you wanna catch a vibe with the lights low.
Alright guys, we lost all the clips. I think the last clip was me cutting the HPS intake part to like mash it together and then use it. But what I ended up doing is I cut the stock box where the sensor goes in, and then I used a coupler on the plastic part of the sensor, and then I put a cone after it just to fit it properly. I have a TikTok and an Instagram video I'll show right now. Keep the dresser bolts. Sheesh! Oh no, it's on fire. Oh no. I hope a fireman don't come f me in the ass. Oh no. But I ran that for a bit and the car was not running right. So I ended up going back to the stock box. I'll just throw a picture right here. That's how the car sits right now. But the oil cooler on the other hand is amazing. No issues with that. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video.